Good evening, Jai Gurudev. How are you? Let's turn on our cameras. Let's get comfortable on our mats. Let's begin. Come on, let's quickly start. Welcome. Let's begin. Everybody can hear me clearly? सबको मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Very nice. तो let's start. शुरू करते हैं. All right, let's sit with our back straight. Hands on the knees, palms up towards the sky. रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधा, हाथों को घुटनों पर, हथेलियां आकाश की तरफ. Let's take a normal breath in. साधारण सांस अंदर लें. And slowly breathe out. सांस छोड़ें. Gently let's close our eyes as we continue breathing. धीरे से अपनी आंखें बंद कर लेते हैं सांस लेते हुए. मन को शांत होने दें. Let your mind settle down. Let's get ready to chant Om 3 times right here. ओम का उच्चारण करने के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं. Let's take a normal breath in and slowly breathe out. Breathe in once more and slowly exhale. And for Om के लिए सांस लें. Om. Once more now, let's breathe in for Om. Om. Last time, breathe in for Om. आखिरी बार ओम के लिए सांस लें. Om. And relax. विश्राम करें. And slowly let's get ready for Kapalbhati pranayam right here. कपालभाति करने के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं. Once more, back straight. Hands on the knees. Slowly take a normal breath in and gently breathe out. पूरी तरह से अब एक और बार सांस लें और पूरी तरह से सांस छोड़ें. Breathe out completely. And for the first round of Kapalbhati, breathe in, out. Automatically in, forcefully out. In, 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 out, and relax. विश्राम करें. The whole idea of doing Kapalbhati in this manner is to breathe in and take in as much air as possible and breathe out forcefully, pulling in the stomach. आराम से कपालभाति करने का यही है कि आराम से हम जब सांस लेंगे पेट को आराम से फुलाएंगे और फिर जोर से छोड़ते हुए सांस को, नाभि को अंदर खींचेंगे, पेट को अंदर खींचेंगे. टेकिंग योर टाइम, अपना समय लेते हुए. Let's get ready now to do this a second time. Back straight. Let's take a normal breath in and gently exhale. Breathe in once more. Breathe out with a smile. And now for the second round of Kapalbhati, breathe in, out, 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 and relax. विश्राम करें. Breathe. Observe the flow of energy in your body. Be with yourself. अपने साधना अपने साथ रहें. And slowly now, let's get ready for the third and final round of Kapalbhati right here. Let's take a normal breath in. Slowly exhale. Breathe in once more and slowly breathe out back straight. And now for the third round, breathe in, out, 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 and relax. विश्राम एक और बार. अपने शरीर में ऊर्जा के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Become aware of the flow of energy in your body from the head to the navel. And slowly and gently, taking your time, you may now open your eyes. धीरे से अब अपनी आंखें खोल सकते हैं. Welcome back. Let's start with some warm-ups right here. Let's start with the head. Let's make fists of our hands, head tapping. Start from the front, sides, back, top of the head, slowly come back to the front and gently bring your hands down, relax. Now right here, let's do some movements for the neck. Gently breathe in and gently take your neck back up, stretch it back. Breathe out, chin to the chest. Breathe in, go back. Breathe out, chin to the chest. 2 more times. Breathe in, go back. Breathe out, chin to the chest. Last time, go back. Slowly, chin to the chest. Let's make circles, rotation करते हैं. 4 times, clockwise. Go up from the right, and as you breathe out, come down from the left. बाएं से नीचे, दाएं से ऊपर. 4 राउंड, धीरे से. Two more times. Last time. And slowly change direction. विपरीत दिशा. 4 बार बाएं से ऊपर और दाएं से नीचे. Two more times. Last time. आखिरी बार. Slowly bring the chin to the chest, ठोडी छाती पर. Gently breathing in. Slowly look to the front. Relax. Now right here, let's get ready for some shoulder movements. Shoulder. Take your hands to the sides. Stretch your hands out like this. Push your palms out, fingers in. Both sides. Now breathe in. And as you breathe out, twist your fingers to the front. Breathe in. Come back to the center. Breathe out to the back. Center, front. Center, back. Center, front. Center, back. Now slowly breathing in, come back to the center and a Tata bye-bye movement right here. Tata bye-bye. Now slowly bring your hands to the front. Now push your palms out. Breathe in, open the fingers. Breathe out, close. Open, close. Open, close. Open, push them out once more. And as you breathe out, fingers down. ऊपर, नीचे. बिल्कुल अच्छा. ऊपर, नीचे. ऊपर, नीचे. सांस को कोऑर्डिनेट करते हुए up, down. Breathe in, out. Last time, in, out. Slowly come back to the center, and as you breathe out, bring your hands down. Very nice. Now let's get ready to do Hindolasana right here. Let's slowly bend. Let me go to the mat. Keep your knee bent. Your left knee is bent. Your right leg will be in your hand. Left पैर को मोड़े जैसे है और दायां हाथ पैर जो है वो रैप करे अपने हाथों को. Wrap your hands around your leg. Back straight. थोड़ा और सीधा. Straighten your back a little bit more. And now left and right. Body is much more open in the evening than in the morning. Feel that flexibility a little bit added more than the morning time. Now let's slowly, while doing left and right, हम अपने टांग को सीधा करेंगे. We'll straighten the leg up. Left, right. जितना सीधा होता है उतना करें. Now slowly stop in the center. Gently pull your leg in towards you as much as possible. Don't bend your back. Try not to bend your back as much. Keep your back as straight as possible as you pull your leg in. Very nice. Hold. Toes are pulled in. Slowly now. bend your leg, gently bring it down. Let's do this on the other side. दूसरी तरफ करते हैं. Slowly bring your right leg in, left leg in, back straight. And left, right, left, right. Very nice. सीधा, पीठ बिल्कुल सीधी. Go faster, left, right, little bit of energy. Come on. Now let's slowly straighten out that leg. टांग को सीधा करें पकड़ते हुए. Very nice. Try to straighten out the knees. Feel the stretch in the leg. Now slowly stop in the center. Pull the leg in. टांग को अपनी तरफ अंदर खींचें जितना हो सकता है. Very nice. Feel that stretch right here in the left hamstring, the left leg. Now slowly stop. Gently bring the leg down and relax. Let's slowly straighten the legs. दंडासन में आ जाते हैं. टांगों को सीधा कर लेते हैं. Pull your toes in and toes out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Last time in, out and round, ankle rotation. Simple but very effective. Now change direction. Sukshma means only gentle. Sukshma Vyayam means gentle exercises. All right, so stop that movement right there. Let's bend the right knee. Place your foot right here on your left leg. With your hands, hold and pull you're going to push and pull your knee up and down. Back completely straight. पूरी तरह से रीढ़ की हड्डी को सीधा रखें. Now breathe in, breathe out, down. In, जोर से नीचे, push it down hard. Down. Up, down. Up, down. That's it. Last time up, down and hold. Push it down, push it down, push it down. And slowly relax. Gently, let's straighten out the right leg and do this on the left side. दूसरी तरफ करते हैं. अच्छी तरह से पैर को अंदर fit कर लें. Place your foot nicely. Place your hands on your knee. Breathe in, back straight. Breathe out, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Last time, up, down and hold. Hold, hold, hold. नीचे की तरफ पुश करते हुए hold करें. Now slowly relax. Gently bring both your legs in and let's stand up right here. Slowly stand up on your mat. Come to the center of your mat. Very nice. Let's get ready for Sarvang Pushti right here. Slightly open, 2 feet wide, your legs, hands in front of the body. मुट्ठी बना ले हाथों का. सर्वांग पुष्टि करेंगे. Breathe in, take your hands up. Breathe out, down to the right. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out to the left. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out to the right. Come up and to the left. Come up. Last time. Go down to the right. Gently hold your ankle. And as you breathe out, pull your head in towards your knee. सर को घुटने के पास ले आएं जितना हो सकता है, सांस छोड़ते हुए. Slowly relax, gently come up. Let's do this on the other side. दूसरी तरफ, go down to the left. Hold your ankle, your foot, and as you breathe out, pull your head in towards your knee. सर को फिर से सांस छोड़ते हुए घुटने के पास लाने की कोशिश करें. Feel that stretch in your left hamstring now. Now slowly breathing in, come up, relax. And as you breathe out, take your hands down from the sides and bring your feet in. Let's do Konasana 2. Gently take your right hand up, breathe in, stretch up. Breathe in once more, breathe out, drop your left shoulder down, look up towards your right hand. Left कंधे को नीचे छोड़ते हुए अपने आंखों से right हाथ को ऊपर देखें. Stretch your right hand towards the ceiling as much as possible. Feel the stretch on the right side of the waist or contraction on the left side. Slowly breathing in, come up. And as you breathe out, take your hand down. Let's get ready now to do this on the other side. Slowly breathe in, left hand, stretch it up. ऊपर की तरफ stretch करें. Breathe in once more. And as you breathe out, right shoulder down, look up towards your left hand. दाएं कंधा नीचे और बाएं हाथ की तरफ ऊपर देखें या सीधा देखें. Look straight ahead or straight up. Now feel that stretch on the left side and a contraction on the right side of the waist. The more you stretch, the more you feel it. Stretch up. Now slowly breathing in, straighten your upper body. Breathing out, take your left hand down, relax. Now right here, let's do some balancing. Very simple pose, but I would say कि use a wall, दीवार का इस्तेमाल करें. Find a spot behind you for your back, wherever it is. Now what I would like to do here is, जितना ankle आपका पैर दीवार के साथ लगेगा उतना आपके लिए easy रहेगा. The more your your heel is close to the wall, the easier it is to come into the posture. So place that left foot close to the wall. Now slowly, this is how it looks. एक बार देखें, फिर एक साथ करेंगे. We'll do it together after you see this quick demo. We lift the leg up, hold the foot, gently straighten out the leg. Now get comfortable. As you breathe out, gently bend down, head to the knee as much as possible. Then slowly lift up, bend the knee, bring it down. Yes? Let's do this together. So slowly, right leg first, fix your gaze, balance. Gently hold your leg, slowly straighten it out. Hold your ankle, your calf muscle. That may be a little easier. Now slowly breathe in, and as you breathe out, finding your balance, take your head down. Go down, go down. Take your head down. Very nice, Sugandha ji. Lalita ji, excellent. Gargi ji. Hold, hold, Shivani ji. Pranav ji, hold. Very nice, Sunita ji, Aparna ji, Shrikala ji. Now slowly bend your knee, lift your head up. Gently take the leg down. Not as easy as it looks, right? Let's do this on the left side now. Slowly, right leg straight, bend your left leg, hold your ankle, your calf muscles, straighten your leg, straighten your body, straighten the right knee. दाएं पैर को घुटने को सीधा रखें. Slowly breathing out, take your head down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. Gently bend your leg. Slowly take it down. Shake those legs out. Let's get ready for another balancing posture right here. Let's get ready for Vrikshasana. All your weight on your right leg. दाएं पैर पे पूरा भार. Left leg को bend करते हैं. Place it wherever you're comfortable. दिशा को टिका के रखें. Fix your gaze. Now if your hips, like me, are going a little bit to the outside, straighten your body, straighten the hips. हिप्स को साइड पे मत जाने दें. Now slowly take your hands up, stretch up, namaste, or just straight your hands, interlock the fingers and stretch them up. Elbows straight, shoulders relaxed. कोनियां सीधी, कंधे ढीले. रीढ़ की हड्डी ऊपर. Spine is straight, pulling upwards, stretching upwards. Very nice. Hold, hold, hold. Slowly take your hands down. Very nice. Excellent balance. Slowly bring your left leg down. Very nice. Let's do this now on the other side. दूसरी तरफ करते हैं. All your weight on your left leg. Fix your gaze. दिशा को टिका के रखें. Bend your leg. Right leg inside the left thigh. Now again, if your hip is going to the side, straighten your body. Hip को थोड़ा सीधा करें. Slowly take your hands up. Stretch up. Stay there and let's see how important fixing the gaze can be. Now in this position, don't fall or anything, but try to close your eyes and balance. Try to close your eyes and see if you can balance and hold. If not, you can come out of the pose. That's right. Slowly come out. That's how important it is to fix your gaze. अगर आंखें बंद होंगे तो बैलेंस ही बड़ी मुश्किल से बनता है. So keep your gaze fixed. Right? Now slowly, let's move forward. Let's get ready for the goddess pose right here. Slowly come into the center of your mat. Open your legs to about 3.5 feet wide, 45-degree angle. Remember, when you go down, you have to adjust your heels. जब नीचे जाते हैं तो heels की adjustment होनी चाहिए. Slowly now, breathe in, hands on the waist. Breathe out with a smile. Remember, go down. Okay, smile will come when the burn will come. तब आप मुस्कुरा के दिखाना, वरना मुझे पता ही नहीं चलेगा. I won't come to know that you're feeling it. So let's hold till we start smiling with all our teeth showing. Body upright. Adjust your heels. Am I seeing smiles? No, not yet. All right, let's go right and left. Slowly come back to the center, hands on the knees, straighten your elbows. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, twist to the right side. With the help of your left hand. Left hand के सहारे से right की तरफ twist करें. Slowly come back to the center and to the left. बाएं तरफ twist करें. No smiles yet. Slowly come back to the center. Roll your shoulders, breathing in, come up. Shoulders को roll करते जाएं. Change direction. And relax. Let's slowly walk our feet in. And let's get ready for Trikonasana now. Here the distance is 2.5 to 3 feet. 2.5 से 3 inch foot का फासला. Right foot 90 degrees to the right, left foot inwards. Body facing the front. Breathe in, hands up. Breathe out, slide to the right. That's it. Breathe in once more. And as you breathe out, go down. It's not about touching the floor. It's about your hips being in one line. Your hands in one line. Linda, take your right hand, straighten it a bit. Towards your head, a little bit more. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Slowly breathing in, come up. Breathing out, hands down, toes to the front. बाएं तरफ करते हैं. Left side, left foot, right foot inside. Body facing the front once more. Breathe in, hands up. Breathe out, slide to the left. Breathe in once more. Breathe out, go down. Once more, hands in one line. If you're finding it difficult to hold, your breath is shaky, body is shaky, hold your ankle. It's okay. Look up or look straight ahead. Slowly breathing in, come up. And as you breathe out, take your hands down, toes to the front. Let's walk our feet in. And let's get ready right here for Super Brain Yoga. Uthak Baithak, old school style. Let's open out our legs. Thoda sa. Hold your ears. कानों को पकड़ लेते हैं. Gently breathe in. And as you breathe out, go down. Come up. Go down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. One more time. Up. And let's go down. Gently leave the ears. Sit in Malasana. Slowly bring your hands down. Hold your feet. पैरों को पकड़ें. Elbows को सीधा करें. Hold your feet. Straighten your elbows. Now use those elbows which are straight between your legs to push the legs out. That's it. Hold your feet. पैरों को पकड़ें. Elbows अंदर की तरफ हैं and elbows आपके पैरों को बाहर की तरफ push कर रही हैं. Giving you a nice stretch in the inner thighs, the inner legs. Your back is straight. Now slowly relax. Gently, let's sit down. And from here, let's come into the cat and cow stretch. Gently, in position for the cat and cow. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, curve your back. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, curve your back. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, curve your back. One last time. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, curve your back. Slowly come back to the center. And gently, let's bring the right foot forward for Ashwa Sanchalan. Gently bring your right foot forward. Ashwa Sanchalan. Now, wherever you are, the knee at the back, usko aur bhi piche le jaएं. Take that back further. Deepen the stretch as much as you can. Sunita ji, you're fine. Malti ji, that's a great stretch. Shanti ji, that is... Whoever has brought their knee back to the front, bring it back. Stretch as much as you can. Now slowly straighten your back and look to the front. That's it. Feel the stretch in the legs, the left leg. Excellent. Soumya, everyone. Now slowly, let's take the right hand to the left side. Let's deepen this stretch. Don't move the knee forward. घुटने को आगे नहीं लाना. Now slowly, elbows down. Interlock your fingers. Tuck the left toe in, lift the left knee up. And let's go forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Two more times. Forward, back. Forward, back. Slowly come back to the center. Drop the knees. Slowly come back on your palms. हथेलियों के ऊपर वापस आएं. Right hand back to the right side. Now very slowly take your right leg back and bring your left leg forward. Once more, keep that knee pushed back as much as you can. That's it. Position में आके knee को और भी पीछे करें. That's it. Now bend your knee, look forward and straighten your back. Ashwa Sanchalan, feeling all the stretches in the body. There's a stretch you notice on the right side and there's a strengthening on the left leg. The left thigh. Your weight is to the front. Slowly take your left hand, bring it to the right side. Bring your hands down on your come down on your elbows, interlock your fingers. Tuck your toes in, lift your knees up, forward and back. Forward, back. Forward, back. Forward, back. Forward, back. Last time, forward, back. Slowly come back to the center. Drop your knees, relax your toes. Come on your palms. Take your left hand back to the left side. Now slowly and gently catch your breath here. And let's take the left leg back into the cat and cow neutral. And let's get ready for Chaturanga Dandasana and moving the hips side to side. So what are we to do? We're dropping the hips side, 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 right? So let's do this together. Come into Chaturanga Dandasana. If it's too much, just hold. Otherwise, drop to the side, left, right, left, right, left. Keep your stomach tight, right, left. Last time, right and left. Slowly come back to the center, drop your knees down, go back, Shishuasana. शिशुआसन में पूरी तरह से विश्राम करें. Let go completely in Shishuasana. Breathe. Now slowly and gently, bring your hands outside your knees. Bring your hands outside your knees. Gently breathing in. Lift yourself up. And once more, let's come into Vajrasana. That's it. Now from here, let's get ready to do a few poses sitting in this position. Let's first do Vajrasana, bending forward with our hands behind our back. Interlock your fingers. हाथों को एक साथ मिला लें. पीठ के पीछे. कोनियां सीधी. Your elbows are straight. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Get a nice grip on your fingers. Now breathe in, back straight. Breathe out, bend forward. Go down and gently move your hands away from your back as much as possible. अपने हाथों को अपने पीठ से जितना दूर ले जा सकते हैं, प्लीज ले जाएं. Slowly bring your hands back down, gently breathing in. Lift yourself up. Bring your hands forward. Now right here, let's get ready for Mandukasana. Tuck your thumbs in. Make a fist of your hands. मुट्ठी बना लें हाथों का. Fingers are towards the top. उंगलियां ऊपर की तरफ. Fingers together like this in your stomach, पेट के पास. Now slowly back straight, breathe in. And as you breathe out, bend forward, go down. And in your abdomen, it should be placed comfortably. You can feel maybe a pulsating sensation or some pressure there. Just breathe. Slowly breathing in, gently come up. And as you breathe out, bring your hands forward, relax. Now right here, let's get ready for Gomukhasana. If anybody has, sorry for the disturbance, if anybody has a belt, please keep that, bring that with you. Bring that with you. And stay in the same Vajrasana position. Keep the belt on the left side, on the left shoulder if you have it. If you don't have a belt, you can do it without the belt, that's fine. Now slowly breathe in with your left hand, hold your belt from the back. Now gently breathe in, take your right hand up, and as you breathe out, hold the belt with the right hand from the top. Ab reduce the gap as much as you can, using your lower and upper hand both together. Try to bring your fingers together. हाथों के बीच का फासला कम करने की कोशिश करते हैं. जितना हाथों को पास ला सकते हैं ले आएं. Open out the chest and breathe. That's it, Sugandha ji. Hold. Slowly take your left hand out. Leave the belt. Take your right hand up. And as you breathe out, bring it down. Now let's do this on the other side. Now use that belt to really try to reduce that difference. Your arm might feel uncomfortable. आपको थोड़ी discomfort महसूस हो सकती है, पर कोशिश करें कि वो distance कम करने की कोशिश करें. Try to reduce the distance as much as you can. Your right hand now, hold the belt from behind, from underneath. Now slowly breathe in, take your left hand and hold the belt with the left hand. If you don't have the belt, hold it normally like you do. Now slowly try to reduce the distance between your hands and try to hold. You'll also be aware that one side is easier than the other. All right. Open the chest and take deep breaths right here. You can even do Ujjayi breathing. Now slowly take your right hand out from underneath. Gently straighten your left hand, and as you breathe out, bring it down. Now slowly, let's place our belts on the side and let's get ready for the pigeon pose. So let's once more come on all fours, right here. Tuck your toes in, lift your knees up, and let's come into Adho Mukha Swan. Adho Mukha Swan mein aa jaye. Gently bend your right leg, stretch it up, gently bring it back down, sit down, pigeon pose. The body has a tendency to go to the right side, bring it back to the center. Body को बीच में ले आए, शरीर को. Right hand, right knee, left hand, right foot. Now slowly look to the front, push your shoulders back, drop your head back. That's it. Use your hands on your knees to push your body back. That's it. Now slowly relax, gently take your hands forward, drop your head down, and breathe. And let's stretch your right leg. Now slowly breathing in, come back up. Gently tuck your toes in and bring your right leg back, Adho Mukha Swan. Let's do this on the other side. Bend your left knee, lift it up. Slowly take it down to the right and sit down. Bring the body back to the center. Left hand on the left knee, right hand on the left foot. Look back. Drop your shoulders back. That's it. Excellent. Look back, look back. Now slowly walk your hands forward. Gently drop your head down. Breathe. Now slowly come back to the center. Gently tuck your toe in, lift your left leg and take it back. Adho Mukha Swan. Slowly drop your knees down. Slide back once more. Shishupasana. Now slowly bring your hands outside your knees. Gently breathing in, come up. Vajrasana once more. Now right here, we're going to do again the prep pose first, the headstand, before we call the session to a close. If you have a wall behind you, so if I'm, for example, here, and I'm going to go put my head down, and you have a wall near you, use that wall. That will help you feel a little bit more safe that you can't fall. If you want to use a cushion, you may use a cushion right here to place your head on it. But remember that even if you're placing a cushion down, अगर आपने cushion भी नीचे रखा है, तो आपकी जो कोनियां है वो मैट पर ही होनी चाहिए. Your elbows should be on the floor. So however you do it, these elbows should not be lifting up. Now if this is how it is, the elbows are off the cushion, but the head is on the thing. Now, what are we going to do? Nothing. We're not taking our legs in the air yet. Maybe one leg. But हमें सबसे पहले अपना back को straight करना है. So we're going to come into position. But before we go, remember, this is the place where your thumb, right here, in the middle of your forehead. Where your index finger comes, that point right there is supposed to be on the floor. ये देख रहे हैं? Thumb आपका जो है middle यहाँ आपकी forehead के बीच में है. आपका जो इंडेक्स फिंगर है वहां जहां पहुंचता है ये हिस्सा मैट के ऊपर होना चाहिए जब आप नीचे जाएं. राइट? हाथों के बीच का डिस्टेंस इज दिस. सो कम, लेट्स गो डाउन. Place your elbows down. Now once whoever's done it can obviously do it with me and can keep practicing. For those who haven't done it, take a quick look. हाँ, जिन्होंने नहीं किया एक बार देखें. Interlock your fingers. Keep the distance between your elbows the same. Bring that index finger where it was pointing. Place that part on the floor. Your head is being cradled a little bit by your fingers. आपके उंगलियों ने आपके सर को एक सहारा दिया हुआ है. Tuck your toes in. Lift your knees up. Now slowly walk your feet towards your face so that your back becomes straight. And slowly walk back. Go back. So this is what we will do. Whoever has seen, now let's do it. Whoever's doing it, keep doing it. Tuck your toes in. Keep that point on the floor. Sugandha ji और चल के अंदर जाएं. Meera ji more. Walk forward more. Pranav ji. Don't take the leg up. No. पहले back को सीधा करें. Brinda, very nice. Now stay in that position where your toes are about to lift off. थोड़ा और पैरों को आगे ले आएं प्रणव जी. Now slowly lift only one leg. बस एक घुटने को मोड़े या ऊपर सीधा पैर को ले जाएं. Now slowly bring that right leg down. Lift the other. Slowly bring it down. Now walk your feet in one more step. और अंदर. और अंदर. Now slowly go back. Gently drop your knees, slide back, Shishupasana. Relax. शरीर को पूरी तरह से ढीला छोड़ेंगे. Your body must be completely relaxed. Keep your head down, Lalita ji. Just relax. When you relax, then you feel your back, your neck, everything immediately recovering. This is a counter pose. Any inversion must do Shishupasana, especially headstand and all, at least 30 seconds. Keep your head down. Leave your body loose. Relax. Excellent. Now slowly we're going to take our hands on the sides of our knees once more. Slowly breathing in, come up. Come out of Vajrasana. Sit comfortably in Sukhasana, Ardha Padmasana, Padmasana. And gently hands on the knees. Let's get ready for Bhramari with Shanmukhi Mudra right here. 3 times on your own and at your own pace. Bhramari Pranayam. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, Shanmukhi Mudra. Breathe in. Last time. Breathe in. And relax. Relax completely. Relax your whole body. Bring your hands down. And let's begin this meditation with Gurudev together. आराम से बैठ जाते हैं और ये मेडिटेशन गुरुदेव के साथ एक साथ करते हैं.
Sit comfortably and easily. आराम से बैठ जाते हैं और सिर को ऊपर करते हैं, जितना ऊपर आप कर सकते हो करो. छत को देखिए. Look at the ceiling and come down. Chin down. Look at the floor. गर्दन नीचे करें और जमीन को देखें. और फिर गर्दन को धीरे धीरे सीधा करें. अब बाएं घूमिएगा. Now move your neck towards the left and then gently, consciously move your neck towards the right. दाहिनी बाजू अपना गर्दन घुमाइए धीरे धीरे. हर इंच महसूस करते हुए, चलन का पूरा अनुभव करते हुए करें. फिर एक बार गर्दन को घुमाइए जैसे नृत्य कर रहे हो आप. ध्यान भी एक नृत्य ही है. फिर से दाहिनी तरफ और गर्दन को सीधा लेके आएगा. फिर अब सीधा गर्दन रखे. अब कंधों को ऊपर करिए. कान से लगाने की चेष्टा करें. सांस लेते लेते कंधों को ऊपर किया, रोका. सब कुछ रोक दे कुछ चंद सेकंड के लिए. Just for few seconds, just stop everything. Stop your breath, stop the movement, and then let go. फिर छोड़ दे. सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते कंधों को ढीला छोड़ दे. फिर एक बार करते हैं. सांस भरें. सांस भरते 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 कंधों को ऊपर ले जाते हैं, कान में लगाने की चेष्टा करते हैं और रोकते हैं. स्तब्ध करें सब कुछ. थम जाए सब कुछ. Everything is stopped. Your breath stopped. Your body is still. Mind is frozen. Now come down as you breathe out. Now relax your whole body. And you may keep your eyes open at 30 degrees. 30 डिग्री पर आंखों को खुला रखें. अभी बंद ना करें. आंखें खुले रहें. Let your gaze be at 30 degrees. Your eyes open. Your eyes are open. Your attention is on your breath. Become aware of your breath and be aware of the billions and trillions of cells in your body. आपके शरीर में अरबों खरबों अणु परमाणु हैं. जीव कोश है. सेल्स हैं. उसके प्रति सजग होते रहें और आंख खुली रहने दीजिए। 30 डिग्री पर अपना दृष्टि माने जमीन पर देखते जाएं, जमीन को देखते जाएं और आंखें खुले रहने दीजिए। शरीर पर ध्यान हो, मन ही मन शरीर को प्रसाद के रूप में स्वीकार करें। Keep your eyes open and feel the body. Feel your own body. Feel the billions and trillions of cells in your body. Honoring them, accepting them. Just be, just repose. You may feel some restlessness. Embrace the restlessness as well. कहीं बेचैनी हो रही हो अंदर, उस बेचैनी को भी गले लगा लें, आलिंगन कर लें बेचैनी को। बेचैनी की लकड़ी आपके ज्ञान की अग्नि में पड़कर भस्म हो जाते हैं। होश के अग्नि में बेचैनी भस्म हो जाते हैं, गायब हो जाते हैं। पूरे होश के साथ बनी रहे अधखुली नैनों के साथ। Just be present. Have this presence of mind or be mindful. Now, with your eyes open of your body and the surrounding. Another deep breath in. And as you breathe out, notice the relaxation that is dawning in the entire body. एक गहरी सांस लीजिए, रोकिए और सांस छोड़िए। छोड़ते छोड़ते देखें पूरा शरीर विश्राम की ओर चल पड़ा है। अब आंखें बंद कर लें। इस वक्त आंखें बंद है, शरीर स्थिर है, हिलना डुलना नहीं। शरीर को मूर्तिवत स्थिर रखें। Keep your body still like a statue. Your breath is getting feeble. Just be. Thoughts are getting frozen. Mind is getting frozen as you keep your body still. Any unpleasant sensation here or there will just disappear in few seconds, few minutes. So be with it. Unperturbed. Just be with whatever sensation you are feeling. चंद क्षणों के लिए बनी रहिए स्थिर और शांत। जो भी बेचैनी है, जो भी हलचल है, उन सब को रहने दे, उन सब को स्वीकार करें, उन सब की आहुति दे के विश्राम करें। आज का ये आसमान नया है, आज की बादल आज ही की है, नई है। आज की हवा ताजी है, नई है। इस घड़ी सब कुछ नया है। मन की खेचली को छोड़कर आप भी ताजा हो चुके हैं। You have shunned the skin of the past. You have become new as well. The earth is new, skies are new, the clouds and their patterns are new, the flowers are new, so is your mind. Let go of the old and be with the new. Just this moment, the freshness of this moment, to be rejoiced now. इस घड़ी की ताजगी को इसी वक्त अनुभव करते हैं। मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते विश्राम करते। We repose with a smile. The melody is enveloping you from all the sides. मधुरता आपको चारों ओर से घेर चुकी है। मधुरता आपके वातावरण में भर गया है। इस वक्त विश्राम करें, केवल विश्राम। This moment, just repose and relax. Let go of all your efforts whatsoever. Let go and relax more and more. सब प्रयत्न छोड़कर और विश्राम में चलते हैं और गहरी शांति में चलते हैं। चुप रहे, कुछ न करें। और धीरे धीरे शरीर और परिसर के प्रति सजग हो जाए। Slowly and gradually become aware of body and surrounding. Slowly and gradually let us open our eyes. Good, no? That's good. That's the key. So if you sit and let go, in 10-12 minutes the mind starts settling and then it renews itself. Yeah.
All right, so that brings us to the end of our session. It's good. That's the key. All right, so with that, I look forward to seeing you in the class in the morning or in the evening. Thank you so much for joining in. Whoever wants to